Kimberly again, and welcome back to another video. I am back in my kitchen, and today I am going to be making fluffy slime. I finally have the stuff to make fluffy slime, which I got for my birthday. I got 1 litre of glue for my birthday. This, what is it called? Contact solution for my birthday, and Mum just gave me shaving foam so I can make fluffy slime. I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys me making fluffy slime. You can also use this as a tutorial. We got like the idea, all the recipes for slime of Karina Garcia. I've talked about her before. She's just incredible. She's like the slime queen of the internet. So yeah, I'll link her video down below. But let's get started with the fluffy slime. Okay, so you just gotta add some glue first. Right, so there it is. Now you have to add, so you've put your glue in, which is just PVA glue. Now we've just got some blue food dye on a knife, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix it in. So there we go, that's all mixed in. It looks very cool. So now we are going to add in shaving cream. Alright, this is just some weird shaving foam stuff. And yeah, so I've never used this in my life. I mean, it's just me and my mum in the house. I don't know why we would ever use shaving cream. So yeah, this is apparently lemon lime shaving cream. Now shake it up, shake it up. Okay, let's go shake it. So, let's pop the lid off. So what do? You just like press it down there, I'm guessing. Alright, I need something to mix it with. Spatula. Right, the spatula. Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, let's give that a mix in. Oh, it just smells so like clean. Very like sky blue. It looks so cool. Alright, so now we add the contact solution. This is called Renew Fresh Contact Solution. And you just add a little bit in, and then you mix it, and then a little bit in, and mix it. Add a little bit. Alright, so let's add a couple drops of that in. Mix. Add a bit more. And give it a mix. It's coming together! That's ew. That's disgusting. Alright, I'm gonna use this and mix it a bit more. See, for me, look at that. That's perfect. I'm so excited. Okay. I have a lot of this, so I'm just gonna. Okay. Alright, so I think this texture is done. I'm just gonna like mix it in because I had a little bit of extra shaving foam sitting on the edge of the bowl. So I just picked that up and yeah. So it should be, the texture should be about like, I'll show you. If you pick it up, it should be a little bit sticky, but when you just pull it off or when you push it back in there, like it just grabs itself. Or if you grab a ball and you roll it on your hands and push it like that, it gets rid of all of the extra slime. But this is like literally, the texture is amazing. Like, you guys won't know how actually incredible this is until you try it. Like, look at that, ready? Look how stretchy it is. Look at that. Ah! It's all over my hands. But like, you can't see, but like, that stretches like further than I can actually reach, probably. Oh, this makes such good slime bubbles. Do you guys know, I don't know if you've seen the Facebook video, I just saw it because it was uploaded to YouTube, where these 3 girls, they pick up the slime and they go like that, it makes a huge bubble. We did it because my friend Aisha, she got me some slime and I made a bubble with my mum for my birthday. Oh, it was so cool, but it popped, so yeah, this would be so cool. Look at that. I'm just gonna sit here and play with it because is that not like so satisfying? I want to wash my hands and just have clean hands and then go in and touch it. I mean, honestly though, how cool is this? Like, it looks huge compared to my face. Like, look, it looks like a mountain. It's the blue Uluru. Can you see that? Look, bubbles. Whoa, it was like a huge window. Ready? It's stuck on my chin. Ah, help! There's a container with a fluffy slime. Ah, okay, we're gonna put straws in somewhere. Use them. You see that? Look. Use it like that. Right, so that is it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you want me to do more like tutorials or like, you know, things like that. Slime, I'm more than happy to do some more slime tutorials and slime making videos if that's what you guys want. And yeah, oh, I also forgot to mention, thank you so much for 150 subscribers. I actually hit it on my birthday, which is like a huge milestone. So thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching and supporting my videos. It seriously means the world to me. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!